Welcome to my YouTube channel, how to buy a VPN. So I'll take you one-on-one on how to buy a VPN. Today we'll be reviewing ExpressVPN. A VPN connection establishes a secure connection between you and your internet. Via VPN, all data traffic is routed through an encrypted virtual tunnel. This distinguishes your IP address when you use the internet, making your location invisible to everyone. So I came here. This is my most preferred and most recommended VPN, which is called ExpressVPN. These were the deals offers. I saw that I had a special deal of 12 months plus 3 months free. And the first package was at the first 1 month at $12.95 per month. Then this one was at you were to save 49%, and the cost was $6.69 per month, and billed once for 15 months, including 3 months free. Then the 12 months. And this one had a 30 days money back guarantee. That was the best offer. That was the most enticing offer that made me get attention of the VPN package. This one was at 6 months. Every month I was being billed $9.9. Then it would be billed every 6 months. So I came and selected, being an economist, I preferred getting the most popular package, which was going at 6.967. So what I will do, I'll come here and I'll show you the ExpressVPN, what it includes. It has a built-in password manager, an ExpressVPN key. It has, which is very secure. So once you get into it, you'll not get hackers, or your data will not leak in any way. So 24/7 customer support by live chat, ultra fast servers in 94 countries. So once I get the VPN, I can be able to change my location into 94 different countries. You can say via VPN, all data traffic is routed through encrypted virtual tunnel. This distinguishes your IP address and when you use the internet, making location invisible to everyone. So I have different methods that I'm able to pay. You can either pay via credit card, via Visa, via American Express Highway, Express, via Visa, via PayPal, via Bitcoin. So apps for best in class for security and encryption, no activity login and no connection, 30 days risk free. Not satisfied, get in case after 30 days I'm not satisfied, I'll be able to get my money back. So I'll get back, I'll buy via VPN. I'll just here come type my email address, and I'll use my PayPal to buy the best package offer. So stick with me to the end of the video recording. Thank you. So we said it's best in class, security and encryption, and no activity logs and no connection logs. So we'll come here. I'll be using my PayPal. I'll continue. We can see the order package is for $99. What the best package that we offer, we were able to pick is this one that I'm going to save 49%, and 49% I'm being promised. Should I change my mind in 30 days, I'll get my money back. And another thing that I'm being offered is $6.7 per month. This is the most popular package, and it is billed once for 15 months, including 3 free months. So we'll come here and see that the order is $99.95. I'll pay with PayPal. It will get my PayPal. Well, I'll be able to pay. And ExpressVPN happens to be the best of the best. So it will tell me that I'll pay using my balance first. It tells me that I use my credit card. I'll say agree to the terms. Once I agree and pay to the terms, it will tell me that we are currently processing your payment. And I'm sure once I get into my email address, I'll say sorry PayPal payment failed, please try again. I'll keep trying until it's successful. So the first payment has failed, we'll try again, saving your information, and I'm sure the tutorial is very successful. We'll agree to pay, saving your information. I'm sure it's successful. Please do not click back or close the browser until the payment is successful. So this is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm sure the transaction has been processed.